To all loved ones, family, and friends alike, we come together in the sight of the divine and all who are in attendance here to witness.
Open your eyes to golden light. There's a world of wonder painted in the sky. What a beautiful sight.
Alex, do you take Kaisha to be your lawfully wedded wife? Will you honor and cherish her, love, trust, and commit to her through joy, pain, sickness, and health, and whatever life may throw at you until death do you part?
It's just the beginning. It's just the beginning.
Do you take Alex to be your lawfully wedded husband? Will you honor and cherish him, love and trust, and commit to him through joy, pain, sickness, and health, and whatever life may throw at you until death do you part?
Watch the world spin round. It's just the beginning. It's just the beginning.
Alex and Kaisha, having proclaimed your love and commitment to one another in the eyes of everyone here, and with the power vested in me, state of New Jersey, I'm very happy to pronounce you husband and wife.
It's all waiting for you. It's all waiting for you. It's just the beginning. It's just the beginning.